सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं तन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। सप्तषष्ट्यधिकचतुश्शततमी 467th क्लास टुडे। वयं चतुरः तत्र श्लोकान् पठित्वा भर्तृहरेः पूर्वनीतिशतकात् चतुरः श्लोकान् पठित्वा मन्ये अभ्यासस्य अन्ते भवामः। वी आर् एट् द एण्ड ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज हैविंग फिनिश्ड 4 श्लोकस्। पंचदशमः अंशः अस्ति श्लोकस्य सारांशं तत्र लेखनीयं सरलसंस्कृतभाषया संस्कृतभाषया। षोडश अंशः पृथिवी वृत्ते ज्ञातपूर्वम् एकम् अन्यं श्लोकं लिखत इति। सर्वप्रथमं वयं श्लोकस्य सारांशं लिखित्वा अग्रे सरामः। श्रीनिवास, दिस् इस् लैक् दिस्। धनादिलोभेन वशीभूतो जनः। धनादिलोभेन वशीभूतः जनः नक्रमुखे दंष्ट्राणां मध्यात्। नक्रमुखे दंष्ट्राणां मध्यात् रत्नमपि उद्धर्तुं शक्नुयात्। He may be able to take out the jewel from the jaws of a crocodile, being greedy. Understood, that is भीषण तरंगैः चंचलं समुद्रं तर्तुमपि शक्यं पारयेत्। One may even cross over the ocean which is agitated highly with deadly waves, with terrifying waves, you can say. क्रुद्धं सर्पमपि शिरसि मस्तके मालावत् पुष्पवत् धारयेत्। One may even put on a snake like a garland on the head, like a flower on the head. One may even take a snake and put it as a decorate his hair like a flower. Mastake dharayet. Kintu jada buddhehe pratinivisht murka. Jada buddhehe murkasya manaha santoshayitum na prabhavet. One cannot please the mind of a dull-witted, confirmed, jada buddhi. That is what pratinivishta murkajana chittam na aradayet. So this pratinivishta word is coming from the previous sloka also. Same ending almost, Srinivas. Natu pratinivishta murkajana chittam aradayet. So he is giving three impossible things can be done but not please. So he is giving more in the following sloka which we are going to do. So you can just write down this and go on. Dhanadi Abhyasa Sankhya 4, I think.
Yeah.
Dhanadi Dhanadi Lobhena is coming close there. वशीभूतो Oh. धनादिलोभेन वशीभूतो जनः नक्रमुखे दंष्ट्रा Damstra, we cannot take a same word. We have to damstranam madhyat. Damstranam madhyat. Is it okay, Dra? Damstra.
Yeah.
Damstranam madhyat. Ratnam api uddhartum. Ratnam api उद्धर्तुम शक्नुयात् उद्धर्तुम शक्नुयात् भीषण तरंगैः चंचलम भीषण तरंगैः चंचलम भीषण तरंगैः one sandhi we have made तरंगैः चंचलम समुद्रम तर्तुम पारयेत समुद्रम तर्तुम पारयेत समुद्रम तर्तुम पारयेत नो फुल स्टॉप अर्धविराम तर्तुम पारयेत क्रुद्धम सर्पमपि क्रुद्धम सर्पमपि मस्तके क्रुद्धम सर्पमपि मस्तके पुष्पवत् धारयेत् पुष्पवत् धारयेत् किंतु उत्तरे लिखो किंतु जड़बुद्धेः जड़बुद्धेः मूर्खस्य मनः जड़बुद्धेः मूर्खस्य मनः संतोषयितुं न संतोषयितुं न प्रभवेत् So here we close.
First line, sir.
जनः
वशीभूतो जनः
जनः नक्रमुखे
नक्रमुखे दंष्ट्राणां मध्यात् रत्नमनुयात् भीषणतरङ्गैश्च
चञ्चलं
समुद्रं कर्तुं पारयेत्
क्रुद्धं
सर्पमपि मस्तके पुष्पवत् धारयेत् किन्तु जडबुद्धेः मूर्खस्य मनः
सन्तोषयितुं न प्रभवेत्। अर्थः न बोधनीयः, यतो हि अर्थः पूर्वमेव अस्माभिः दृष्टः। इदानीं षोडशांशः श्रीनिवास, पृथिवीवृत्ते ज्ञातपूर्वम् एकम् अन्यं श्लोकं लिखत। प्रथमं श्लोकं लिखामि, अनन्तरं how to write, I have to erase, I think. It's okay, na? We'll take one by one, line after line. दृशौ तव मदालसे मदन इंदु मत्युज्ज्वलम्। गतिर जनप्रिया विजित रंभ मोरु द्वयम्। Third line, रतिस्थव कलावती रुचिर चित्र लेखे भ्रुवौ। अन्ते अहो विबुध विबुध यौवतम् वहसि तन्वी पृथ्वीगता. Can you read now?
दृशौ तव मदालसे वदनमिन्दु
वदनमिन्दुमत्युज्ज्वलम् गतिर्जनमनोरमा गतिर्जन ओ सॉरी अक्षर लोप गतिर्जन मनोरमा विजितरम्भमूरुद्वयम् that's okay. रतिस्तव कलावती रुचिर चित्रलेखे भ्रुवौ. This chitra line completely merged here. रुचिर चित्र. Okay. भ्रुवौ विबुध यौवतम वैसी तन्वी पृथ्वीगता. So we are asked to recall one Prithvi meter here. Very, this poem is from, I should tell you, first the Ashtapadis of Jayadeva. Bhakta Jayadeva's Ashtapadis, at the end it comes. And wherein very cleverly the poet has indicated the meter also at the end, Prithvi. So he is telling that the meaning of this poem, first I will explain, then we will go to the analysis. You wanted the analysis, na? Drushau means eyes. Druk, drushau, drushaha. Drushau, netre. Tava, hey, Radhe, tava, your madalase. They are like, there are two meanings in this word, madalase. Madena alasa. Alasa. Madena alasam. Madalasam. That is how they interpreted. Your eyes are tired because of, Mada means here Harsha, Santosha. Oh lady. No. Mada Shabda it is, not Dhatu. Madena, Harshena, Santoshena, Harsha. Alasa. Alasa is adjective. Alasam, alase. So here Druk Shabda is Strilinga. First of all, Druk Shabda is Strilinga. Druk, Drushau, Drushaha. So the Alasa Shabda is adjectival to Druk Shabda. He Radhe Tava Drushau Netre Madalase Madena Alase Harshena Santoshena Alase. Your eyes are tired because of happiness. Okay? So that is Vadanam Tava Vadanam, your face, Indumatyujvalam. Indum means Chandram. Atikramya Ujvalam. Your face is more brilliant than surpassing the beauty of the moon. Indumatyujvalam means Indum Chandram Atikramya Ujvalam Vartate. Your eyes are like this, your face is more brilliant and charming than the moon. Then Gatihi, your Gamana, you are moving, you are walking. Jana Manorama, it is very beautiful to the people. Your gait, what we Angla Bhashayam gait, Gati, gait, G-A-I-T, gait iti uktam. Gait is very pleasing to the people. Jananam Manorama asti. Gati Shabda is Strilinga. Gati Ikaranta Strilinga. Therefore the Manorama is adjective, that is becoming Dirgha. Manorama. Tava gatihi, tava gamanam manoramam. If he had used gamanam, then manoramam it would have become. So gatir jana manorama, vijita rambam urudvayam. Your thighs, your both urudvayam, uru shabda is there, your both your thighs are excelling the ramba. Ramba means here the plantain tree, plantain, arati. Plantain tree shape is very beautiful, so that is given by poets. Your vijita, that means your thighs are excelling even the plantain tree in shape. This is Srungara Kavya, so therefore the poet indulges in that. Vijita rambam, rambam urudvayam. Ramba means the plantain tree. Vijita means conquering. Jita, Vijita. Vidhuta, there is one more reading. Vidhuta means shaken also. That reading is also there. But I have taken this. Ramba is Rambaha. Then there is a Sleshartha which will come to punning on these words. That is over, na? Yeah. That line. Ratistava Kalavati. Your sport, Rati, your pleasure is Kalavati. Tava Kalavati. Kalavati means it is full of fine arts. Kala. Kalaha asyam santiti. Kalavati. So your you got it now? Ratihi, your enjoyment is like Kalavati, which is full of all the fine arts. Ratistava Kalavati. Then what is there?
Ruchira Chitra Lekhe
Kalavati means your Rati, your pleasure is like full of all the kalas, fine arts. Kalavati. Like Hava, Bhava, etc. 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 Then Ruchira Chitra Leke Bruvau. Your eyebrows are shining. How are your eyebrows? Ruchira Chitra Leke. That means your eyebrows are shining and wonderful. Ruchira shining, Chitra means wonderful. Your eyebrows, Leke, this is an adjectival to Bruvau. Ruchira Chitra Leke Bruvau Tava. Tava Bruvau Kidrushau. Ruchira Chitra Leke. So your eyebrows are like shining and also very wonderful. Chitra Leke also means your eyebrows are shining and having curves. Chitra Leka, wonderful curves. Eyebrow should have, that is why women decorate their eyebrows very often. So Ruchira, they are very attractive. Chitra Leke, they have a curvedness in the eyebrows. Bruvau. Then Bru Shabda is Bruhu, Bruvau, Bruvaha. That is, Then what? Vibudha Yauvatam. Vibudha Yauvatam. Vibudha Yauvatam. That means the beauty. Yauvatam means Yuvatinam, that is a Yuvatinam Samuhaha is called Yauvatam. It's a word. Yuvatinam Samuhaha and Yauvatam. The group of women, young women, damsels. That is one thing. Vibudha Yauvatam Viseshena Buddhyante. That is godly. Vibudha Yauvatam means the group of heavenly women, damsels. Tadama Vibudha Yauvatam Nama Apsaraha. Swarge Vartamanaha Yaha Apsaraha Tatra Vidyamanaha Santi Tadrushinam Samuha iti. Vibudha Nama Tatra Deva, Vibudha Gana, Vibudha Yauvatam. Vibhudanam Yuvatinam Tatra Samuha iti arthaha. So, Aho Vibudha Yavatam Vahasi Tanvi. Hey Tanvi, hey Radhe, Tanvi, how are you? You are very slim. Tanvi, Tanu. Tanvi means very slim bodied. Tanvi, hey Radhe, Tvamasi Tanvi, Vahasi. Kim Vahasi? Vibudha Yavatam Vahasi. You are carrying the appearance of the heavenly group of heavenly women. Tanvi Prithvi Gata, on the being situated on the earth. Though, that means though you are on the earth, you are having all the qualities of the heavenly Apsarasas. Now this is not fully explained. Now we'll go to first meaning I have given you. So second meaning explained like this. Drushau Tava Madalase. So Madalasa is there indicated the name of a heavenly Apsara. Drushau, your eyes are like the Madalasa. Okay. Then next, Vadanam, your face is Indumati Ujvalam. Indumati is another Apsara. So your face is like the Indumati. Indumati eva Ujvalam asti tava Vadanam. So your face is like the Indumati. Next, Gatihi Jana Manorama. Your going, gait is like another Apsara called Devanam Veshya Manorama. It is like that. Very beautiful. Then Vijita Rambha Urudvayam. That means your thighs have conquered even Ramba also, overtaken Ramba, who is a famous Apsara. Vijita Rambham Urudvayam. Your thighs are excelling, more beautiful than the Ramba, have overtaken Ramba. So how many Apsaras? 4 Apsaras. Ratihi, your Rati is so lovely that it is like Kalavati. Kalavati is also supposed to be another Deva Kanya or say Apsara, Indraloki. So your Rati is like Kalavati. Ruchihi Chitraleki Bhruvau. Ruchira Chitraleki Bhruvau. And your eyes are beautiful like Chitraleka, another lady, another Apsara in the heaven. So Ruchira Chitraleki Bhruvau. So how many? In each line you have two Apsaras named here. One is Madalasa, another is Indumati, another is Manorama, another is Rambha, and Kalavati and Chitraleka. Aho, oh, wonder, aho, wow. Vibudha Yavatam Vahasi, you are carrying a group of heavenly women. Bhavati Kidrushi Vartate, Tvamasi Vibudha Devanam Tatra, Deva Apsaranam Tatra, Apsara Yuvatinam Samuham Vahasi Tvam. You are carrying in yourself a group of Apsaras staying on the earth, Prithvi Gata, Prithvim Gata, those situated on the earth. So this way, this Prithvi Vritta is also indicated here by beautiful this. Vahasi Tanvi, O slender lady, O slim lady, Vahasi Prithvi Gata, Tvam Prithvi Gata api Tatra Vibudha Yavatam, Vibudha Yuvatinam Samuham Tvam Vahasi. Tava Sharire ताः सर्वाः अपि अप्सराः तत्र विद्यन्ते इति अप्सरा स्त्रियः इति. So that is how this is Prithvi. Now coming to the what is the definition of this meter, I already seen. Jasauja Sayala, page 24, Vasu Jasau Jasayala Vasugraha Yatischa Prithvi. So it is like this, Srinivas. In each pada, Vasugraha we have already explained. Ashta Vasus, Graha Navagrahas. So Yati Niyama is after every 8 syllables and 9 syllables. In each line you will find, Srinivas, in each line you will find 8 and 9. How many? 17 letters. You can see here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yati. I am putting yati here. So yati vasu graha 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So yati is here. I am just marking yati here. Okay. Gatir jana manorama yati. Then yati is there. Ratistava kalavati yati is there. Then yati is here. Aho vibhuda yavatam bahasi tanvi. So this is the yati niyama there. After each 8 and 9, because in each line you have 17 letters, Srinivas. 17 letters are there.
Yati means
Virama, pause.
Okay.
While reading, Tushautava madalase, then you pause like that.
Okay.
Then after 9 you pause. 8 and 9, Vasu and there Graha, Yatihi. That is what is there in the definition. Vasu Graha Yatihi.
Vasu means 8.
8. Graha means 9. Yatischa. Prithvi. After 9 again Virama is there, Yati is there.
Okay.
In the second half you will find 9 letters. Now if you wanted the meter also, na? Now marking one I will do, then you can understand. Jagana, first Jagana. Jagana means Lagu,
Guru Lagu.
Guru, Lagu. This is Jagana. Then followed by Sagana. Sagana is Lagu, Lagu,
Guru.
Guru.
Lagu Lagu.
Lagu, Lagu, Guru. Then Jagana again. Lagu,
Guru Lagu.
Guru, Lagu. Then again Sagana. Lagu, Lagu,
Guru.
Mindu, because Samyuktakshara is coming here, it is becoming. Then Yagana.
Yagana.
Yagana is Adi, Lagu. Lagu,
Guru.
Guru, Guru. Then these are Gurus. Lagu Guru. Yeah, Lagu Guru is there. Now this is the Gana Vibhajana.
After
Now,
Yagana, what is answer?
Lagu Guru. Where?
After Yagana.
Last one.
Lagu Guru Guru you mentioned, no? After the.
Lagu Guru, Guru, Lagu Guru.
What is it, Lagu Guru?
It is there,
Yagana
nahin?
it is.
Irrespective of that. Jasau. Jasau means Jagana, Sagana,
Again,
Jasayala. Jagana, Sagana, Yagana.
Then La, what is La?
Lagu is La.
Okay.
Guru means Guru. Isn't it? Jasayala Vasugraha Yatischa Prithvi. Jasau, Jasayala, Jasayala. Guru is there. Yes, not. It is there. One last word will be treated as Guru only in Chandas. So now I am just showing you. This 3 is what Gana? Jagana. This 3,
Sagana.
then this 3,
Jagana again.
again Jagana. What is this 3?
Sagana.
This is
Yagana.
Yagana. This is Lagu. This is Guru. This is now that is the same applicable to all other meters also. So Jagana I will write here. Jagana will be
Lagu Guru Lagu.
Lagu, Guru, Lagu. Then Sagana.
Lagu Lagu Guru.
Then Jagana.
Lagu Guru.
Yagana,
Sa again.
Sagana.
Laghu, Laghu,
This is
Yagana. Yagana.
very good. Laghu Yagana.
Laghu,
Guru, Guru. Now this is the. For this, the students have to remember that very beautiful couplet. Karika, Srinivas. Adi madhyavasaneshu yarata yanti laghavam. Adi madhya avasaneshu. Adi in the beginning, madhya in the middle, avasana at the end. Yarata. Yagana is lagu in the beginning. Ragana is lagu in the middle. Tagana is lagu at the end. Yarata yanti lagam. Bhajasa gauravam yanti. On the other hand, Bhagana is guru in the beginning, then two lagus. Jagana is madhya guru. What we have seen. Madhya guru. Lagu, guru, lagu. Bhaja sa. And Sagana is antya guru. Antya guru. That you can see. So, Adi Madhyavasaneshu Yarata Yanti Laghavam. Yarata Ganas get Lagu in the beginning, middle and at the end. Bhajasa, Bhagana, Jagana, Saganas get Gaurava in the beginning, middle and at the end. Manautu Guru Laghavam. Magana is full Guru, three Gurus. Nagana is three Lagus. So it has. So I have also told in the previous class there are several ways of indicating this Guru Lagu. So this is okay. Now this line is Lagu. This is Guru. Some people give this Guru, this, there is a confusion there. You follow any one of this. Is it okay? So just read the poem.
Rushau tava madalase vadana mindumatyujvalam gatirjana manorama vijita rambha guru dvayam ratistava kalavati ruchira chitra lekhe bhruvo aho
Vibhuta
yogvatam vahasi tandi prithvi gata.
So Vibhuta Yauvatam means Devatastri Samuham. Devatastri Samuham Tvam Vahasi Prithvi Gata. Being situated on the earth, you are carrying the glory of these heavenly women.
So which Ashtapadi is this? There are 24 Ashtapadis.
This one, I will tell you. Next I have to look at. So Vayam Agre Saramaha Nutanaha Panchamaha Sloka Patita Srinivas Labheta Sikatasu Sikatasu Tailamapi Yatnataha Pidayan Vibhecha Brugatrushnikaasu Vivasardhitaha Kadachidapi Paryatan Chasha Vishana Masadayet Natu Pratinivishta Murka Jana Chittam Aradayet. So Pratinivishta Murka Jana Chittam is commonly coming from the previous poem, the last line. So here he is giving more examples. Now Bhartrihari seems to be so much worried about this Murka Jana Chitta. Because in our day-to-day Vyavaharika life, we do come across so many idiots, what we say. It's very difficult to convince them. So he comes out with another poem on them, attacking them. Labheta sikatasu tailamapi yatnataha pidayan, which is almost impossible like. Sikatasu tailamapi yatnataha pidayan, sikatasu yatnataha pidayan tailamapi labheta. One may get oil from the sand if he knows how to crush them. It is impossible, but saying that. Then padachedam karomi.
Yes.
Pibet cha mruga trushnikasu salilam pipasarditaha kadachit api paryatan shasha vishanam आसादयेत् न तु प्रतिनिविष्ट मूर्ख जनचित्तम् आराधयेत्. That is the subject of the poem. मूर्ख जनचित्तं न आराधयेत्. So pada parichayam kurma Srinivas. Labheta. Vidiling. Yeah, that is vidiling. Potential mode. Prathama purushe. Sikatasu. Tailam. Avyayam. Yatnataha. Tasil. Avyayam. Pidayan. Shatrantam. Kriya Visheshanam. This is Shatrantam. Pidayat. Pidayan. Pibhet. Vidiling. Prathamasya Ekavachan. Cha Avyayam. Mrugatrushnikaasu. Salilam. Pipasarditaha. Sannantam. This is Sannantam means desiderative, Angla Bhashayam, desire to have something. Patum Ichcha Pipasa. Gnatum Ichcha Jignasa. Moktum Ichcha Mumuksha. So these are desiderative. They are called Sannantas. Nijanta, you know, causal, where you make someone to do. Karayami, karomi, karayami. Kriyate, karyate. Is done, is made to be done. Karyate. So that is nich suffix. This is Sannanta. Okay. Next. Kadachit avyayam. Api avyayam. Paryatan Shatrantam. Shasha Vishanam. Asadayet. A upasarga sadit. Vidiling it is. Na avyayam tu avyayam. Pratinivishta murkha jana chittam. Aradhayet. Radhiti dhatu. This is also niche. Okay. Akanksham tavat pashyamaha. Labheta, one may get, probability, possibility. One may get. Kim labheta, what one may get? One may get even the oil. Kutra labheta? In the sands. Sikata is saikata. Sikatasu, in the sands one may get. Katham labheta, how may one get? Squeezing diligently. Impossible, but squeezing diligently one may. That is why labheta, may get. No guarantee. Pibet, one may drink. Kim pibet? Salilam pibet. One may drink water. Salilam, jalam. Kutra pibet? Where can one drink? Muruga Trushnikasu, in the mirage. One may drink water even in the mirage. Kaha pibet? Who may drink? Pipasa arditaha. Pipasaya arditaha. Man troubled with thirst, thirsty man. Who is man troubled with thirst may drink water in the mirage. Asadayet, may get, may obtain, or whatever, may get. Kimasadayet? Shasha Vishanamasadayet. The horn of a shasha, rabbit. Hare's horn, rabbits, hare's horn, rabbits. Shasha means shasha, hare, H-A-R-E. You understand? Rabbit is inverse. Rabbit's horn is not there. There is a convention that is. Rabbits don't have the horns, but people say it is just a poetic convention that Shasha Vishana means hare's horn one may get, which is impossible. Hares don't have. So next, Kim Kurvan Asadayet, doing what one may get? Paryatan means roaming about on the earth surface. One may come across a hare or a rabbit which has got some horn, which is not possible. Kada asadayet? When one can one come across?
Kadachit api asadayet.
Sometimes one may even come across, get hold of a hare's horn. Then na aradayet, cannot please. Kim na aradayet, what cannot one please? One cannot please or satisfy the mind of a fool. Kidrusham murkhajana chittam nara. What type of mind of a fool? Pratinivishta murkhajana chittam iti padam tatra gata slokat anvartate. It is continuing from this. Pratinivishta means hardened, perverse, obstinate fool. The mind of a hardened fool one cannot please or satisfy. So all impossible things again said here. Anvayartham Srinivas.
Yatnatah pīdayam sikatasopi tailam labhet pipasaditah cha mrugatrushtikāsu salilam pibet paryatan kadachit shashi vishanam api asadayet pratinivishta murkhajana chittam tu na ārādhayet.
See, the hare or the rabbit also is called a hare. Rabbit, yeah. Kundelu, Telugu Bhasha. It doesn't have a horn, but it is just said that all impossible things. Like that. So you have read it, na? Anvayartha. Yatnataha pīdayan, by diligently, with all effort, smartly squeezing, pīdayan, sikatasu in the sands, api, even in the sands also, tailam labheta, one may get, one may, no, in English it is, when we say in English one may get it means one may not get it. It might rain, if you say, it might not rain also. This is a probability, we are speaking in terms of probability. So it will, the difference is that may, might are such words. So by squeezing diligently, by crushing diligently in the sands, one may obtain oil. Pipasaya arditaha, troubled by thirsty, being thirsty, mrugatrushnikāsu, in the mirage, salilam pibet, one may even drink water, being thirsty in the mirage. Paryatan, roaming about, kadachit, sometimes, shesha vishanam, sheshasya vishanam shrungam, vishanam nama shrungam, api asadayet, one may even get roaming on the earth the horn of a hare. But pratinivishta murkhajana chittam, katina murkhajana chittam, durmada murkhajana chittam, natu tuna aradayet. One may not be successful in pleasing the mind of a hardened fool. That is what it says. Now we go to Padartha and then Bhavartha. Yatnataha, prayatnat, with efforts. Yatnaihi iti, yatnataha. Pīdayan, mardayan, pressing. Yantradina mardayan. If you take one yantra, a machine, and then squeeze sand, you may get some sandy oil. Then it will be called sandy oil. You may get petrol also. Now we are getting petrol. Sikatasu api. Balukasu api. In the particles of sand, baluka. Always plural. This sikata shabda is always used in plural. Because you can't have one pebble generally. So the words like dara shabda, not dara. Dara nitya bahuvachana shabda. So sikatasu in the sands, in the particles of sand also. Tailam sneham. There is another word for tailam is sneham, oil. Labheta prapniyat, one may get. Cha api cha. And pipasarditaha. Trishna pipasa both same thing. Being troubled with thirst. So mrugatrushnikāsu, mruga marichikasu in the mirages, salilam jalam, pibet, patum prabhavet, one may be able to. Paryatan, so moving here and there, wandering here and there. Kadachit, sometime. Shashavishanam, Shashashrungam, the Shrunga, the horn of a hare, api unto api, asadayet, adhigachet, prapnuyat, adhigachet, one may get hold of. Tu, pratinivistha murka janachittam, duragrahayuta manasam, or kathina mooda jana manasam. Otherwise, kathina mooda jana manasam, na aradhayet, na seveta, na santoshayet. One may not. So these are the meanings here, nothing to comment about. Bhavartha you can read.
Prayatnam kurvan kaschit janaha sikata kanan
Mardayan
teshu tailam
labdum shakniyat. Prayatnam kurvan, putting effort. Kaschit jana, some man. Sikata kanan mardayan, squeezing diligently the particles of sand. Teshu, in them, tailam, oil, labdum shakniyat, one may be able to get oil from them. Pipasakula, sun. Pipasakulaha, pipasaya akulaha, troubled by pipasa, that thirst. Being, sun means here being troubled by thirst, being thirsty. Mrugamarichikasu, Mrugatrushnikasu, in the mirage, api also, jalam prapnuyat, one may get water in the mirage. Next. Asambhavani. That is what you want to say. Etadrushani asambhavani, like this impossible api karyani, the works which are like this, which are impossible also, kartum, to do, perform them, to get them, kadachit manushaha shaknuyat, sometime man may be able to get such impossible things, get them possible. Kintu chittam, kintu duragrahinaha, that is kathina, durmadasya murkhasya chittam, the mind of a hardened fool, aradhayitum, to please, to propitiate, to convince, na prabhavet, one may not able to. So I think this is the third poem about fool. Brahmapi janam na ranjayati na, where we got that? In continuity, bhujangamapi, yeah, I think. Agnaha Sukamara, yeah, it is coming, third one. Third poem, fourth poem, fifth poem, all are having almost the same summary. So I think it's okay, English. We'll go to Nidarshana Srinivas. Yeah, Sandhi Vyakaranam. Pivet chutva. Pipasardita. Pipasa plus. It is not ardita. Ardita should be. Not dirgha, ardita. Yeah. So, Paryatan chashavishanam. Chutva chatva. Samasa. Okay. Oh, many. 5. Mrugatrushnikasu.
Mruganam trushna, mrugatrushna, shashti tatpurusha.
Tasu.
Tasu, mrugatrushna, tasu.
Sorry, Sheshavishanam, Sheshasya Vishanam, Shashti tatpurusha. Pipasardita. Pipasaya ardita. Again, ardita is there, ardita. This ardita should be ardita only. Pipasaya ardita tutya. Pratinivistha murka jana chittam. जनस्य चित्तं सो प्रतिनिविष्टः असौ मूर्खजनः कर्मधारय फॉलोड बाय षष्ठी धातु कृदन्ताद्वयं पीडयन् पीड धातु निच शत्रु पीडयन् पर्यटन शत्रु प्रत्यय पर्यटन स्तुति धातु क्षम्यतां यत्नतः यत्न तसिल छन्दः पृथ्वी लक्षणं पूर्वतनश्लोकस्य विवरणावसरे दत्तमस्ति लक्षणं पूर्वमेव दत्तमस्ति सो ऑलरेडी वी हैव सीन द लक्षण सो वी आर गोइंग टू कोश मरीचिका
मृगतृष्णा मरीचिका
so you can take your note Srinivas show them the note is there on the display Mrugatrushna, Mruganam Trushna Asyamiti. Mrugatrushna, Trushna means the animals have their thirst in this. Trushna, thirst. So they know in the jungle, Aranye, Mrugaha Yada Charanti, Pipasardhitaha Bhavanti. So Mrugatrushnikam Društva Tatra Salilam Asti iti Manyamanaha Tatra Dhavanti. So animals run thinking in the mirage. You know, mirage it looks like watery. Yeah. There is water, so they run. So Mruganam Trushna Asyam Asti. That is how it is called Mrugatrushna. Next word is Marichika. Na?
Yeah. Mriyante Anaya.
Mriyante Anaya Kshudra Jantavo Mrugava. So because of this mirage, the animals, especially the deer, becoming thirsty and going for them and not coming across any water, Mriyante, they die. Anaya, they die with this because of this Mrugatrushnika. Kshudra Jantavaha, Lagu Jantavaha, small animals, because they can't live on without water. Small Kshudra means here small, Lagu Jantavaha. Mrugaha, either small animals or deer, they die running after this water, this mirage. So that is why it is called Marichika. Marichiriva, Marichika, appearing like ray. Why it is called Marichika? Marichiriva. Marichi means ray, Surya Kirana. Marichiriva, it is Marichika. Because it looks as if that sun ray. So that is one more, appearing like a ray. We pass on to next. Salilam. First Salilam.
Yeah. Apaha Stri Bhumni Varvari.
Apastri Bhumni Varvari Salilam Kamalam Jalam. Like that you read. So Apaha, first word is Apaha. Now these are all synonymous words. Paryaya Shabdaha. Apaha, apnuvanti, apnuvanti, which spread. This word is always used in plural. That is why bhumni, that is the direction. This word apa shabda is always nitya bhagavachananta. Like we came across just now. What the word? Just now we came across. Nitya bhagavachananta. Forgotten? Sikatasu, daraha, etc. So, apnuvanti, which spread, used in plural. This is pakaranta apshabda. And declined only in plural number as follows. I have given only plural number na apaha. Because this is only bahuvachana, so you have no ekavachana, dvivachana. Only one line will be there. Apaha, he apaha, apaha, dvitiya, adbihi, trutiya, adbyaha, chaturthi, adbyaha, panchami, apam, shashti, bahuvachana, all are bahuvachana only. Apsu, saptami, that's all. Apaha, this you should by heart. Apaha, he apaha, Apaha, adbihi, adbyaha, adbyaha, apaham, apsu.
Bhyan is given.
Adbyaha.
Adbyaha.
Yeah, adbyaha. Adbyaha, adbyaha. Adbihi, adbyaha, adbyaha. Bhyaha only comes, na? Chaturthi Bahuvachana, Panchami Bahuvachana.
So here, Visarga is
Not there?
Adbyaha.
Where is Srinivas?
In your notes.
It is there now with me.
It's there, huh? Oh, here it is.
How come? The same copy I am holding. Adbihi, adbhyaha, adbhyaha. Not there?
Visarga is missing in both Adbyaha.
How it is here? No, it is very small, I think. You blow it and see. Apam, apsu. Yo apam pushpam veda.
Yeah.
That is mantra pushpa. Apam. That is Bahuvachana. Yaha Purushaha Apam Pushpam Veda Pushpavan Prajavan Prajavan etc. Then Apam is that, this is only Bahuvachana. Jaleshu iti. Anyway, you think about it later. Vaha here. Next. Apavarayati Nimnonnatamiti. This is how it is interpreted. Apavarayati Nimno covers up the ups and downs. When water comes, you can't make out the ditches. Apavarayati nimna unnatamiti. Nimna ado unnatam. Yeah, down, ups and downs. Vaha varicha and vari also in the same. Vru varane to choose. Vrunoti. Some interpretation. This is Refanta Shabda. Napumsakalinga declines in Prathama. Vaha vari vari. See how difficult these shabdas are. Vaha, Refanta, this is. Vari, vari. Not Telugu vari. See Refanta, Gir Shabda. It is like Gir Shabda. In Shabda Manjari it is given. Gir. Refanta Gir Shabda. Salilam, Salati, Sarati, Gachati. Iti Sal. Sal Gatau, Srugatau. Ralayorabhedaha. There is no difference between Rakara and Lakara, sanctioned by the Vyakaranas. The Vyakarana Shastragnas are given permission. Ra, la, no difference. Ralayorabhedaha. So,
Excuse me, there is one more Vari Shabda is there, no? That is also what?
Same thing. Vari, vari also. That is also Ikaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Yeah, it missed out my. Notice, Vari, Varini, Varini. That is Ikaranta, Napumsakalinga, Vari Shabda. This is Refanta, Vru, Vaha, Varicha.
This is also Napumsaka. Refanta Napumsaka.
This one, yeah, should be. Yeah, it is Napumsakalinga only, except Apaha. Here, except Apaha, which is Nitya Strilinga, Nitya Bahuvachananta, Vaha is Napumsaka, Vari is Napumsaka, Salilam is Napumsaka. Then we are going to Kamalam. Kamalam, what is the explanation given? Kamyate Trushartaihi. This side like Trushartaihi. Pipasitaihi Kamyate. It is desired by the thirsty people. It is wanted by the, desired by the thirsty people. Trushartha. Trusha means thirst. Trushaya artaihi. Piditaihi. Ishyate kalu. So this is Kamyate. So Kamalam, it is called. Kamalam means that lotus also. But here Kamalam means Jalam. In what sense? Because it is desired by the thirsty people. So that way you can't say even thumbs up is also water. It is made of water. Kama to desire. So come desire is then kamayate etc. from that dhatu. Then some more. Jalam, which is universally, universally means we know that. Yeah, we know that. I think we may stop here. Okay, we'll take up that next class. Shubham Bhuyat.